If you are not comfortable installing door reinforcement hardware yourself, there are professional services that can handle the entire process for you. Licensed locksmiths and security contractors commonly offer door reinforcement as part of their residential services and will assess your door, frame, and hardware to specify the appropriate upgrades. Expect them to measure door thickness and jamb condition, recommend stronger strike plates and longer screws, and suggest hinge reinforcement or a reinforced door edge if your door has an exposed gap. Some specialists focus specifically on door reinforcement and will use steel reinforcement plates, full jamb reinforcement kits, or security hinge bolts to distribute force and prevent kick-ins, and they will explain the difference between surface-mounted and embedded reinforcements. When hiring a pro, ask for a detailed written estimate that lists materials, labor time, and any necessary modifications, so there are no surprises, and make a point to confirm whether the installer will remove and replace weather stripping and trim to ensure a flush fit. Request that the technician demonstrate the new hardware operation and show you the fasteners they use so you understand maintenance needs and can spot any issues later. If you want a higher level of protection, inquire about reinforcing the sill and threshold for doors mounted on weak frames, as that prevents prying at the bottom and works with the rest of the system. Finally, ask about lead times and cleanup policies so the job is scheduled efficiently and your home is left tidy once work is complete. Common problems include installers using short screws that do not reach the wall stud, which reduces effectiveness. Insist on screws that penetrate at least 2.5 inches into solid framing and confirm this on site. Another frequent issue is applying surface plates without addressing a compromised jamb or rotten wood. If you have damaged framing, the technician should replace or sister the jamb before installing reinforcement so the hardware has a solid substrate. A third problem is mismatched hardware, where the lock cylinder or deadbolt does not align with the reinforcement components. Make sure the Pro Dry fits components before permanent installation and requests adjustment to the back set or strike location as needed so everything operates smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local professionals who offer security and door reinforcement services, and it also helps contractors find new projects and clients. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, ask questions, and compare approaches.